How to transfer money with Laurentian Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money with Laurentian Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the Laurentian Bank app and simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on the option transfer, which is right over here. After that, you'll have to choose a transfer type, so it can be between your own accounts to another Laurentian Bank client or to a completely different bank. You can also do Interac transfer using this option. Now whichever option you choose, first of all, you'll have to select from which account you'll be sending your money from. So in my case, I'll simply choose my checking account. And if you choose the first option, you'll have to select to which account you'll be sending your money to. If you choose the second option, you'll have to enter the recipient's detail, and if you choose the third option, you'll have to either enter their email address, their Interac ID, or their bank account number and stuff like that. Now once you've done that, tap on the option continue. Then you'll have to enter the amount, the frequency, the date, and any optional message. Once you tap on the option continue, you'll have to review the details. So once you tap on the option confirm, use either your Face ID or enter your password. You will have successfully transferred money with Laurentian Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.